Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about the black needles on my Addi Knitting Machine. As you know, I did a opening when I received it. I was so happy to receive it, and I got it, bought it for a great deal. I paid $260. It was on sale on Amazon. As soon as I bought it, it went back to normal. 340, I believe, 360, 380. It depended. I guess it was a sale and I was keep on watching it. Anyway, so I wanted to talk about these black needles because I've been watching so many videos, tutorials, but no one seems to show when we hit the black needles, like they're what they're doing is, I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. They're skipping that part. So it looks like, oh, and it's going nice and smooth. But I want to show you how it goes. So I did show you on my three strands of yarn. Sorry, I still have this flu. It's still here. It hasn't gone. So please bear with me. So I've been using this fabric softener, and this is helping me a lot. So what I'm doing is I'm holding the yarn like between like this, and what I'm doing is I'm holding it, not tight, just loosely, but you know, and I'm cranking it. So I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to show you when I hit the black needles, but I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to continue cranking. But I will show you that, see, it slows me down. It doesn't stop because still I'm continue cranking. Sorry, I hit my, let me show it again. See? See, when I first opened it and when I first started cranking it, it would just stop. I would say, oh my God, my Addi machine arrived broken. So I was so scared. Oh, I'm just looking if I have any drop stitches. So these weights that I bought from Dollarama, they're actually chip clips that you put on your chip bags, chips, or your snack bags. So I'm just going like this. I'm weighting them down, pulling it down. It helps a bit. And this fabric softener definitely helps. And you have to pay attention on what you're doing or else you lose a drop a stitch. So let me show it again when I hit the black. But this time I'm not going to slow down. Let me just move this a bit. Because the handling is touching my... Okay. So you can hear that click because... Well, I found out later because it's showing a new row. It's going up for a new row. That's why it's happening. But, well, I didn't know that, right? Until, see? But it is hard, like, that's what I'm trying to say. It does harden, like those 3 black needles when I hit it. So it does not go smoothly. But it is getting way better than before, like when I started. And this yarn is Lion brand, something I can't remember. I bought it at Walmart. And I didn't even have a band. There was only 1 ball left. It's cotton blend. And it's Lion brand. It says Icy Cotton Rainbow. Maybe this would help. I think it was $1 off. We don't have these yarns, unfortunately, here in Canada. And I only found 1 ball. I wish they they can bring more. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again just to show you. See? Well, it's going from 59 to 9 to 60 row, but it is kind of annoying. Like I was just freaking out. Why is this happening? Is my Addi knitting machine broken? And something happened again. Okay. I need to loosen up yarn. You need to loosen up yarn because that affects a lot. I'm just checking if I lost a stitch. Oh, I just love the color. Doesn't the colors look nice? Yeah. I just wanted to, because I was getting a comment from another, can't remember, was it on YouTube or Facebook? She was messaging me. Hers was the same. I think it was on YouTube. See? If I do it slowly, it will stop. So I need to speed it up. And on Facebook, there's a Addi knitting group, knitting machine group, and people would, their brand new machines, they would pull everything apart, clean them, grease them. But I'm not that brave to do that, so and I don't want to tell that to my husband. If I tell him, he will pull everything apart. And if we can't put it together, you know, it's better than nothing. So I was just loosening up some yarn. But it's really fun. I really enjoy it. And the more I think I'm going to crank this, because it's never been used, right? So hopefully thinking it will smooth. See? Smooth up. I'm trying to show you. Even I made so many scarves and hats. It does slow. It does slow when I hit that black needles. So I'm checking. No yarn drops. This fabric softener, I would highly recommend you to put it in between. And then just hold it gentle. Let me see if I can show it to you. Like hold it gentle like this. And then just let it go through that fabric softener. It's a big trick. I'm happy that I read that in the group. I would highly recommend this fabric softener. The one that I have in my hands are Gain fabric softener. So what I do is for the hats, people say 140, 170. I just use the entire, sorry, keep on touching because I'm very close to the handle. I use the entire, this is 100 gram, so I will use the entire ball, finish it up, and just sew up the ends. And I do a reversible, so, but if you put a pom-pom, the pom-pom is removable. But this one I will. I got some beautiful pom-poms from Amazon. I will put those on, sew them up. And if you want to see the finish, just scared did I drop a stitch. Yeah, so I keep on letting loosely yarn on the floor. So you know, the tension has to be loosely, or else that affects a lot. Big time. It affects a lot. See? So I just wanted to point out that it is smoothing. See? It is smoothing. Okay, I don't know why that happened. There's a... As soon as I hear a pop, 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 I'm thinking, what's going on? Did I drop a stitch? That's another way to, just looking. That's how I look. I pull it. Did I loose a stitch? Worst thing, to loose a stitch. Especially when you crank it and then you see it at the end. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just wanted to share you that since I bought it, I've been cranking. I only didn't do it for 3 days because I was busy working on knitting socks. But it's nice to just get away and then work on my Addi Knitting Machine. But I definitely wanted to share you this when you hit the black needles, it does slow down. See? It makes that noise because it's clicking. I read that there's a way to get rid of that. Then you need to cancel your counter, which I don't want to do. So I just wanted to say hi and mention about those black needles because I haven't seen that on any videos. No one's mentioned about those. So just be cautious, nothing to freak out like I freaked out. It's just counting the row. And it makes this noise. You wonder why, right? Because it's a new machine. It's 2 weeks old. Just love the colors. I'll let you watch me. See, it clicks again. It's a pretty loud click though. That's the thing. That's why I was so worried about it. I thought, oh my goodness, my machine is broken. And but not at all. So I will let you wash because it is really fun to watch while I'm cranking. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Christmas is over. Happy New Year. Stay home, stay safe. And enjoy the life to the fullest. Oh, I have a, if I have time, I'll show you. I have a knot on the yarn. That's the worst thing when you have a knot. Where's the knot? Oh, I went through it. Oh my goodness, it went. Oh, here it is. It didn't. Okay, I'm going to show you a trick. This is what I do when I see a knot. I don't want to waste yarn because yarn is so precious. See, can you see the knot? So what I do is I pull this, and then I go like this. So I don't let it go through here, because then it will pull the yarn, and then it will give a big tension. So I just let it go, and it sits there, nothing to bother. But when I come to that needle, I will slow down. Okay, here is the knot. So what I do is I just slow down, and it already threw the knot to the other row.